Hey everyone, I'm back and we're going to do a little tutorial on how to trade a stock. So if you looked at the previous tutorial on stock market experience, you know that you can view your stock sign on, your username and sign on for the stock market experience at the Schoology website. And you know that stockmarketexperience.org is the URL. That's the address you want to type in your browser. And you can check your open positions or your transaction history. I'm going to click on transaction history, and then we're going to make a quick trade here. So sometimes, just want to let you know that things kind of get stuck, and you might either need to log out or log back in, and that's okay. It's maybe traffic on the internet highway, whatever it is. I've got a lot of things going here on this website. I'm going to go over here and just see if I can make a trade, but obviously it looks like it's stuck, and I'm going to leave this in here because this is good experience. It doesn't always work the first time. I'm going to pause this and we'll come back and make a quick trade. Okay, so I'm back here, and if you notice now the screen says trade stocks. Well, I went up here to make a trade and I clicked on trade stocks. And so if you do that, your screen should look something like this, where you have a cash balance, a current portfolio balance, and then if we slide down here, we can look down a little bit lower in that same page, and you will see North America, Latin America, Europe, Asian, the different stock exchanges. But the key fields that we're going to be looking at are to buy a stock, the quantity, so how many stocks are we going to purchase, and the symbol. Well, if I don't know a lot about stock symbols and what symbol that is used for purchasing a stock, but I do know various companies, and I'm going to take a real easy one that's familiar with all of us, is McDonald's. But I don't know their symbol, and I need that symbol to make a trade. I need to buy their stock, or I want to buy their stock, and I need the symbol so I can look it up and see how much it's going for. So I'm going to go up to the top of the page, and if you notice, I got a tab up here, Google Finance. And if you go to Google Finance, that's just Google it, and then or type in Google Finance, you'll come up with www.google.com/finance. And there's a little search field up here. I'm going to type in the word McDonald's. McDonald's. And let's hit enter. And did I misspell it? I did. Did I mean McDonald's? I mean McDonald's. There's McDonald's Corporation. And the big number up here in my stock table is the current trading price per share, $95.32. It's like, well, you know what? I got $100,000. I think I can afford this stock. And what I like to do too is look at the range here. It's the 52-week range. It's been trading between $92 to $103, so it's kind of midway in the range, and actually a little bit on the lower side during the last year. I feel pretty good about McDonald's. I think it's a safe bet. I'm going to make a trade. But I'm just going to slide up here and show you that on the New York Stock Exchange, the symbol is MCD. So that's what I need. Now I'm going to go up here again and jump back here to my website for the trading, the stockmarketexperience.org, and I'm at the trade stocks area, and I'm going down here. And there's my symbol, MCD. That's my symbol field. That's for McDonald's. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and just put in a quantity of 100. Because don't be shy. Don't be trading like 10 shares or 5 shares when you have $100,000. In this particular game, if you want to win, you got to think a little bit bigger. And to be honest, if you're buying 5 shares of a stock, you're going to get dinged for the cost of a transaction, and we'll talk about that later. And buying and selling costs money on the internet. And if you're buying 5 shares, you're going to be paying more to buy the shares, like $7 a trade, then it's really worth your time or money. So I'm going to go with 100 shares, and I'm going to well, let's just do this. I'm going to do the symbol lookup here just because that's there. I'm going to just try this before I make my purchase. So I had you go out to the website Google Finance, but I want to show you something else here that just kind of came up when I thought about it. Was when I typed in McDonald's, minimum 3 characters, I go down here and the symbol is for something else, McDonald's Company Limited, and the symbol is different. That's a different symbol. That's not what I want. I want MCD. And I'm going to hit enter. Hopefully this will search for me. It's like, okay, here we go again. It's like sticking on me. Not a big deal because I've been in here before. I'm going to go back to my trade stocks area, and I'm just going to go and do this trade. 100 shares. I'm going to click in that field, 100, and I'm going to put in the symbol MCD because that's what I looked up on Google Finance. I'll scroll down here a little bit. I'm going to hit this preview button. So it's going to show me what I'm doing here. And so down below it says, okay, you've got this preview where you're buying MCD at $95 a share. And here's today's range. It hasn't changed a whole lot, about 50 cents. But that's basically it. I'm going to hit preview again, and it will give me my total estimated cost. It's going to cost me $9,546. So I'm going to confirm that. And I just placed an order for your market buy for 100 shares of McDonald's will be processed at the next market open. So when I recorded this, the market's been closed. But tomorrow, they're going to purchase 100 shares of McDonald's for me. So that's really about it as far as purchasing a stock. Of course, you got to find a company that you're interested in. Just go over here to make a trade. Go over to the trade stocks area, and remember to scroll down and look down below at the quantity area, and then you need the symbol. But the symbol is, again, something I might look up under Google Finance. If I have the website for Google Finance, I can go over here and type in a name of a company, and it'll come up with that particular stock price and its symbol. That's what I'll need in my stockexperience.org website to make a trade. Okay, so your assignment is to go make a trade. Have fun, make a couple if you want. We're good to go. All right, take care.